Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we'll talk about how to fix League of Legends client not opening. So in order to fix the League of Legends client not opening, firstly make sure that any instance of Riot client is not running in the background. In order to do that, right click on your taskbar and go to the task manager. From here, make sure that every Riot client instance is turned off before we proceed to the next step. So right click on any Riot client instance, then click on end task. Like this, make sure that no Riot client processes are running in the background. So after that, close it, head to the search panel, type League of Legends, then click on open file location. After that, right click on the League of Legends shortcut and go to open file location again. Then head back to Riot Games. Then go into League of Legends again. From here, scroll down a bit until you find the League of Legends League Client.exe. So all you need to do is right click on it, go to properties. Now go to the compatibility mode. From here, select run this program in compatibility mode. Windows 7 or Windows 8 will be fine. You need to check out which one works best for you. After that, click on disable full screen optimization. Run this program as an administrator and change high DPI settings. Click on override high DPI scaling behavior. Then click on OK, apply and OK. After that is done, in the same folder, you need to head up to the top side. From here, you need to select the config file and log file, right click and delete these folders. Then close the window. After you've closed the window, you need to head to the search panel again. From here, type Riot Client, then click on open and now wait for the Riot Client to open up. Now you can see that the Riot Client is open. So from the top right hand side, we'll need to go to the profile section. Then go to the settings menu. After that, head to League of Legends. Then click on the repair button. By clicking on the repair button, all the files that you just deleted will be downloaded again and it will be set to the default. So after you have done these steps, left click on League of Legends game, click on the play button. And now as you can see, the League client is opening up normally without any issue. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.